Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candice. Thanks for tuning in. Now today we're going to bring it back to the DIY again. And what we're going to do is some coffee face masks. I'm going to do a little mini series of a few of them. So I really chose to use coffee because coffee is very good for your skin and replenishing it. It will help prevent skin damage because it helps protect your skin from the UV rays of the sunlight. It also contains lots of antioxidants to help fight acne, and there are a lot of other good qualities to coffee as well. In the first face mask, the only things we're going to need is some coffee powder and honey. And to jump right in, we're just gonna get a bowl and some measuring spoons. And we're gonna measure 1 tablespoon of each. I think this will be good for those of you with combination skin like myself. We're just gonna measure her out. I fucking love the smell of coffee, so you're just gonna put it in your bowl. So this is just gonna create a nice little paste. It's not that easy to mix together. You might want to use a bit more honey than you are the coffee powder, to be completely honest. I think I might just pop a little bit extra honey in. Oh yeah, that's better. That is definitely better. So you're gonna want to use like 1 1/4 a tablespoon. Uh-oh, she's a messy one, guys. She's definitely a messy one. It's dripping down onto my clothes. Okay guys, so the mask has been applied. I dripped enough all over my pants. It's still dripping, oh my goodness. Anyways, we're all done with this mask. We're gonna wait 15 minutes and then we're just gonna go ahead and take it off. And then I'll get back to you guys with the results, so stay tuned. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes, so just before I go ahead and take this off, I'm really excited to tell you that as it's sitting on your face, it feels really good. Really good. You can feel everything seeping into your pores. It's really interesting. It's definitely gonna exfoliate as it comes off. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly pop this off of camera because it's a little bit messy and it's going everywhere. It works a little bit better to take off if you rinse it off. I know I usually just use the wet wipes, but that did not help me. The full result, my face feels so frigging smooth. Oh my goodness, like, each mask that I keep trying gets a little bit better every time. Super excited about that. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be doing the same idea, making a do-it-yourself coffee mask using only 2 ingredients, but yeah, you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out what that second ingredient is. Hit the big like and subscribe button before you go. Bye! Thanks! Oh my god, I have a visitor! There she is! Hi, baby! Hi!